What if that glamorous night out wasn't just a party? What if it was damage control right before everything started falling apart? Meghan Markle and Prince Harry just made a very public appearance at a high-profile Hollywood event, smiling, posing, and looking completely unbothered. But behind the cameras, things might not be so simple. Because while the photos look perfect, reports suggest there could be tension, controversy, and even legal trouble building behind the scenes. And the timing? That's what really has people talking. To understand why this moment matters, we need to rewind a bit. Since stepping away from royal duties, Meghan Markle and Prince Harry have been building a new life in California, focused on media, business, and high-profile partnerships. One of the biggest, their deal with Netflix. At first, it seemed like a powerful move. Big opportunities, global reach, and complete creative control. But over time, things didn't always go as planned. Some projects struggled to gain traction, others faced criticism. And slowly, rumors began to surface about possible tensions between the couple and the streaming giant. Nothing officially confirmed, but enough to spark curiosity. Fast forward to now. The couple shows up at an exclusive event hosted by Netflix CEO Ted Sarandos. It's a star-studded gathering filled with major Hollywood names. Photos quickly spread online. Meghan smiling, networking, and appearing very comfortable in the spotlight. At first glance, it looks like everything is perfectly fine. But here's where things get interesting. This appearance comes shortly after reports suggested there may have been behind-the-scenes disagreements between the couple and Netflix. So naturally, people started asking questions. Was this just a casual night out? Or was it a carefully timed move to show that everything is still on good terms? And then, things take another turn. While the media is still discussing the event, a completely different story begins to gain attention. Prince Harry is reportedly facing legal action connected to one of his long-standing charity projects. Now, this is where it gets complicated. According to reports, the dispute involves internal disagreements and allegations of reputational impact. Nothing has been fully proven yet, but the situation is serious enough to attract major headlines. And suddenly, the focus shifts. It's no longer just about Meghan, Netflix, or Hollywood appearances. Now it's about Harry, and a legal battle that could affect his public image in a major way. This creates a dramatic contrast. On one side, glamorous photos, celebrity events, and public smiles. On the other, legal concerns, media scrutiny, and growing speculation. Some observers believe the timing is more than just coincidence. The public appearance, the high-profile setting, the carefully captured moments, all happening right as negative headlines begin to surface. And that's what's fueling debate online. Is this simply normal life for a high-profile couple? Or is it a strategic move to shift the narrative? There are a few different ways to look at this. Some believe the event appearance was purely social, nothing more than attending a gathering with industry connections. Others suggest it may have been an effort to reinforce relationships, especially with key partners like Netflix. And then there's another perspective. Some people are saying this could be a form of image management, showing confidence and stability during a time of potential controversy. When it comes to Prince Harry's legal situation, opinions are also divided. Supporters argue that disputes happen in large organizations, especially charities with complex structures. Critics, however, believe this raises serious questions about leadership and decision-making. At this stage, it's important to remember these are ongoing developments and not everything has been confirmed. So now, I want to hear from you. Do you think this appearance was just a normal night out? Or do you believe it was carefully planned to send a message? And what about Harry's situation? Overblown drama or something more serious? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. One thing is clear. In the world of celebrities, timing is everything. And when major headlines collide, glamour, business, and controversy, it creates a story people can't ignore. Whether this moment was strategic or coincidental, it has definitely captured global attention. And the next few weeks could reveal even more. If you enjoyed this deep dive into celebrity drama and real stories behind the headlines, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss the next update.